So how to transfer money from Metro into another bank. So first things first, once you've opened up the app, you just want to click on your account and then you just want to click the drop down menu right at the top. Then once you've done that, click on make a payment and then click on create a new payee. Then for the next step, you just need to clarify what the payment is for. So for the example of this video, we're going to say moving money to another account. Then once you've done that, you just need to enter the details of the account that you wish to transfer to. Then once you've confirmed those details, Metrobank will confirm if it's a match, and then you'll just need to enter your passcode to authorize it. And then just enter the text message code as well. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought back through to this page here, and you can then select how much money you want to send. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then when you're ready, select make a payment, click confirm, and then once you've done that, you'll be given this blue screen here, and your payment has been successfully made. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.